Okay, MalaysianHawkerPro.com. What is Malaysian Hawker Pro, and how and why and what and all that sort of stuff. Okay, if you don't know who I am, my name is Jackie M, and I was born and raised in Malaysia. And I used to own a restaurant here in Sydney, specializing in Malaysian hawker food. Now, just a little bit of a backgrounder. My aim with this Malaysian Hawker Pro is to train up the next group of people who are passionate about Malaysian hawker food, but who have always struggled with trying to nail the dishes, okay, the way that Malaysian hawkers do them. Now, when I first came to Australia back in the early 80s, my parents used to be hawkers back in our hometown of Seremban in Malaysia, by the way. So I kind of know the whole hawker lifestyle vibe and work ethic and all that. One thing about Malaysian hawkers is that they're not sharing their recipes on social media. Okay, nor are they even publishing cookbooks, truth to be told, because they just don't have time, and there's an intrinsic inclination to actually keep a lot of knowledge kind of like close to their chest, right? So when I first came to Australia, I really struggled to find good Malaysian food. We're talking about the early 80s, remember? So I decided that I was going to teach myself how to make all my favorite hawker dishes. Think about roti canai, char kway teow, and nasi lemak satay, and laksa, and everything else. Okay, so I managed to be able to do that and cook at a level where it was where I could eat it, but also I could sell it, right? So what happened was that it culminated in me owning my own restaurant, and which I eventually had to give up because I gave birth to Noah, who is classified as severely disabled and it spent a long time in hospital. So I was told by doctors, give up everything because your life will never be the same. So I did. I haven't quite lost my hawker food bug. I've continued to do stuff around Malaysian hawker food. And this is basically the latest iteration of it. Okay, so my aim is to help you to master 6 iconic Malaysian hawker dishes from my restaurant menu. So there is proof of concept built in there, and I'm going to help you personally online through Zoom sessions and through Q&As and recipes. I'm going to help you master these 6 dishes over a period of 12 weeks. Okay. Now, with the first cohort, which is starting on March the 5th, I'm going to throw everything at it because I want to build up a group. I want to build up a group of case study people who have successfully mastered Malaysian hawker cooking through my help. Okay, so I would love for you to jump in and get onto this right away. So look up MalaysianHawkerPro.com. There's a lot of information there. It's a long read, it's not salesy or whatever. It's just laying out the facts the way I would lay out the facts. Okay, so if it sounds like you're sick and tired of not being able to nail recipes because you spend hours scouring the internet or looking up cookbooks and whatever for how to make whatever and finding that the recipes don't really hold up, or if you struggle with Malaysian ingredients, or you get everything seems super confusing, I'm going to show you how I do it, okay, through the lenses of someone like me who's been there and done that, and also who applies my own experience of running a business where generally the bottleneck was me, because I was in the back of I was in the kitchen doing everything myself. So I had to find ways to be able to reproduce these dishes efficiently and cost effectively, and without leaving the place a disaster zone, without needing super high tech equipment or whatever. Okay, so if that sounds like someone like you, if you think you can learn from someone like me who's very straightforward, matter of fact, and whatever, look up MalaysianHawkerPro.com and join now. Okay, I'll see you then.